Welcome to Indigenous Children's Storytime. We thank you for your support, and we especially thank you for watching all of our videos. Share, 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 because sharing is caring. Do make sure to hit the like button because it does help the algorithms for our channel to reach more people. And it's 100% free. As always, story times are dedicated to my 4 amazing sons. Nazee, misidentified as Jaxon. Omni, misidentified as Joshua. Maji, misidentified as Theodore. And Adrael. Mommy loves you so much more than words can express. And if you know my sons, please share these videos with them. Soon, little Nazee the Great goes for a walk with Mommy. Scan the QR code to watch a preview of this story now. Now to today's book. Animals of South America Nature Series. Again with Animals of South America. We will be learning about a new South American animal. Are you ready? Are you excited? I know I'm excited. I love animals. I just absolutely love animals. So let's learn about a new animal that we can love today. Okay? Today's animal is the South American monkeys. South America has various types of monkeys, and we're going to learn about a few of those types today. Peaceful greetings and welcome to Indigenous Children's Storytime. We will be reading a wonderful, beautiful book about the animals of the Amazon rainforest. So this is the first and introductory page that describes all of the wonderful, amazing animals within the rainforest. Okay. Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest of South America is the largest rainforest in the world. It covers an area the size of the misnomered United States, which is really Turtle Island, what is also known as Atlantis, and it is also known as Egypt, Kemet of the West. It is home to a huge variety of plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. The animals of the rainforest live not only along the ground, but also in every level of vegetation, meaning plant life, up to the very tree tops. This is a bush, but you can imagine up way at the very tip top. Okay? Yeah, way at the top of the trees. This top layer forms a shady canopy. So we can see that this bush forms shade right here. See, the darker area would be considered the shade, and the lighter area would be considered the sunny area. And that's what it's referring to for all the younger children. Okay, The forest floor is home to animals that eat the leaves and grasses of the undergrowth, such as the brocket deer and the tapir. Anteaters and armadillos feed on insects like ants and termites, while several kinds of monkeys eat the plentiful fruits. The brightly colored birds of the rainforest eat berries, seeds, nuts, and nectar from flowers. There are also carnivorous, meat-eating predators of the rainforest, such as the powerful boa constrictor and the graceful and beautiful jaguar. So through this book, we're going to learn about all these amazing creatures of and animals of the rainforest, and including the beautiful, graceful, majestic spotted jaguar that has been highly revered by the indigenous of this land, misnomered Negro, Black, Colored, African American, Afro American. So, as the lion is the king of the jungle in Africa, so would the jaguar be the kings and queens of the rainforest in and on Turtle Island, Amexem, aka Kemet, Egypt of the West. We are back with another animal of the rainforest. And so today's animal, we're going to be learning about monkeys of the South American rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is filled with amazing variety of monkeys. Spider monkeys. Have you seen any spider monkeys? Is your brother or sister a spider monkey? Oh, maybe. And little squirrel monkeys swinging through the treetops like gymnasts. The big howler monkey, the largest in the Americas, sends out loud screams that can be heard as far as 3 miles away. Wow, I did not know that. That is loud. I don't think I've ever screamed that loud. People have said that I was loud when I speak, but I don't think they heard me 3 miles away. So I don't think I'm that loud anymore. Maybe I could ask a howler monkey to help me with the projection of my voice so I could yell 3 miles away too. What do you think, you guys? Do you think the howler monkey will help me? The thick mane of the tiny tamarin makes this monkey quite distinctive. Most monkeys eat nuts, fruit, leaves, and flowers, though some will also eat eggs, insects, and small reptiles. So you got the squirrel monkey, howler monkey. We got that long-armed spider monkey. I don't know, that just sounds funny. That's always been and sound funny to me. And the tamarin monkey. He looks like Chewbacca. Don't he look like Chewbacca? I don't know. He looks like Chewbacca to me. Well, what about this one? Does he look like Chewbacca? Okay, so join us in our next animal, where we will be talking about another amazing animal of the South American rainforest. Okay? Yay! Peace until then. Until next time. Scan QR code to watch Barely Awake and All Moose Asleep. We are grateful and thankful for all love offerings. Be sure to get this new book, Little Nazee the Great Goes for a Walk with Mommy. To see a preview, scan the QR code now. Mother Talisa loves you. If you liked this story time, be sure to watch The Spotted Jaguar now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next story time. Be sure to hit the like button before you leave. And if you'd like to watch another story time, watch this next, and make sure you subscribe. Tap the notification bell and make sure you hit the all so you can be notified whenever we have a new video.